Okay, before going any further, we should talk a little bit about how to get images that are safe to use with your website. Okay, as you recall, the name of this site is Star Wars, and if I go to Google and I key in Star Wars in my search for images, this is what I get initially. I'm going to go over here and click on Images. Okay, and as you can see, there's a ton of really good images out here. The problem is that a lot of these are copyrighted and are not usable, not supposed to be used for personal sites. Now, for educational sites, I'm not quite sure what the rules are there, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you another way to get images that are absolutely safe to use. And I go over here to Tools, click on that, and then click on Usage Right. Okay, and go down here, and I'm going to go click on Labeled for Reuse. And you see there are some that come up here. They're not as attractive as the other page, but still they're very usable. Okay, so this is what I would recommend to you so that you become a good digital citizen when you're making websites and this kind of thing. So as a reminder, many students had trouble in one of our previous exercises in getting pictures off of the web and getting them into their documents. So let's just give you an example of how to do that. I'm going to click here on this Star Wars, this big picture, or it's not a big picture, it's going to be a big picture in a minute. And I right click on it on the mouse. So right click to open in a new tab. And here's my new tab up here. Okay, it's a nice big image. And let's say that I want to save that. I'm going to right click on it, go down to Save Image As. Save Image As right here. And go to your Pictures folder. Don't leave it in Downloads. Go to your Pictures folder. Go to a folder where you have your images already for your website. If you don't have one, you can click anywhere on a white square or white area in here. Go down to New Folder, and then you name your folder. Well, I already have one, so I'm going to ignore that and go back up to Star Wars, and I'm going to put logo in here as the name of my file. Save it into the Star Wars folder like so, and it's ready to go.